to my channel. This is the 8th video tutorial in Python series. In this video, I'll cover tuples. So let us understand that what are tuples. Tuple is a collection in Python which is orderable and unchangeable. Orderable means that you can give index to each element in the tuple, and unchangeable means that you can't add any element or you can't delete any element from the tuples. So now how to create tuples? So for that you first write the variable name, then equal to sign, then you use the open brackets, open parenthesis, then write the elements in this: Amy, Jake and Rosa. So these three are the elements in my tuple. So if you want to create tuple, you'll always use these brackets and then write the elements separated by comma. Now we'll see how we can print any element in this tuple. For that, open the terminal, write Python 3 and then create a tuple. Right. Jake, then Amy, then Rosa. Okay, here I have created 3 elements in this tuple, and now I want to print Rosa, that is the last element in this tuple. So we know that after indexing, Jake will have the index of 0, Amy 1 and Rosa 2. So we can write it as print t1 of 2. So now let us see that. Print t1 of 2. Once we do that, we find that our output is Rosa, which is the last element in this tuple. So this is the way in which we can access any element in tuples. Apart from this, we can also print all the elements present in a tuple. For that, we will use for loop. For loops are used whenever we want to repeat any activity a particular number of times or until a condition is true. The syntax for that is for x in t1, then don't forget to put the tab that is for indentation, and then write print x. So what this says is, for any element x, it means that if you have any element left in this tuple till that time in this tuple t1, go on printing that element. So first it will see that Amy and print that, then Jake and it will print that, and then Rosa. So let us execute this. First we need to save that. Python py8.py. Okay, here I have forgot to enclose it within double quotes. Now let us see that. Okay, I didn't save that, sorry. Python py8.py. Here you see that you have these 3 elements printed out in different line. This is because for loop is used for printing all these things, and so all the elements are printed. So this is the way in which we can print all the elements of a tuple. Now suppose you want to find that if a particular element is there in the tuple or not. So we'll take the same tuple and then paste it here. So this is the tuple which is being created. Now I want to check if Amy is there in the tuple. If Amy is there in t1, then print yes. So this is the way in which we find that if any particular element is there in the tuple or not. So let us try this. Control this. Here we see that after it has printed all the elements, it shows that Amy is in T1, which is true, and thus it prints yes. So now let us close this. Here I have created a tuple T1, and now if we want to find the length of T1, what we can do is we can write length of T1, and it will give the total number of elements in this tuple. So here we see that the output is 3, which means that there are 3 elements in this tuple. Since a tuple is unchangeable, it means that we can't add elements by using add method or anything like that. In the same way, we can't remove any elements from the tuple. But only thing we can do is we can delete the tuple, entire tuple. For example, if I write delete T1, it will delete that. And if I try to access any elements like T1 of 0, it should raise an error. See, as you see that T1 is not defined, it means that T1 has been deleted. There is one more way in which we can construct tuples. It is by using the tuple constructor method. So in that, what you write is, first you write the name of variable, that is, I'll give it T2 here, and then I'll write as tuple, open the bracket, open one more bracket, and here you write all the elements which you want to be there in your tuple. For example, A, B and C. So I want these 3 elements to be there in my tuple. So take care that whenever you are constructing a tuple using the tuple constructor method, you should have 2 brackets and take care of their closing too. So this is the way in which we create a tuple. So I'll use that. Okay, here I am creating a tuple using tuple T2 using the tuple constructor method. And now let me access that. T2 of 0, it should give A as the output, and here we see that we have the output as A. So this is it about tuples. Thanks for watching my video and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.